I want to show you how to set up a defense stance on the animal controller. First we need to create the new stance. This is D8 and a new mode for playing the hit animation. Then you need to set up an animation. I'm in the idle here. Let's drag and drop our idle animation here. That should be this one. And we want to make a transition stance equals, if we are in the defense stance, equals 8, then we want to play this loop. And now we set up the locomotion for this stance, and let's call it like this, and this got the same transition as the idle. Stance equals 8, because this is the defense ID is 8. Now set up the blend tree. We want 2 new animations here, and now drag your appropriate animation here. This will be 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, and 0, 0. So four-way locomotion, and now this is back, this is front, this is right, and left, like this. Let's preview it. That's alright. Okay, horizontal. Added. This looks good. Alright, now the mode. We create a new substate, call it defense hit, and drag our hit animation in here. So now we want to, before we can set this up, we need a player. So we drag and drop the player here, and we can also add the enemy to test. Okay. Now we go to the window, and now we can set up our mode, our new mode, defense hit. So, and then select the animation and add all transitions to it. It goes automatically, and add the ability to the animal component of this animal. So now check if it's alright. Okay, defense is added with the appropriate ability and index. Alright. This is what we got, and now we need to set up the stance, the new created one. This will be the one, and we want to enable it with reload, with the button reload. It can strafe, and if you want another button, take one string here, and we got the reload one. Here you can set up like you see fit. And now for the events, we go to the stance and we add a new event here for our new created defense. And now we want to set a new string and call it defense. This is a profile. Copy this name for the profile right now. Okay, and on the exit we want to restore the default one. Now we create on the mDamageable a new profile, call it defense. It should be match, the one we want to activate. So our reaction will be the mode we created here, defense hit. The the ability we got just one, so leave it there. The damager reaction, the enemy should react to our defense with let's say a knockback. So the multiplier, this number will multiply with the damage we would take. And if we multiply this damage with 0, then the damage will be 0. For all math experts there, should be alright. Align to damage, we want this probably. So alright, this should be okay. We can set up for metal. Okay, let's see. Let's go into play mode and see what we got. Okay, this is working. The lock on is not working. And okay, let's give the player this sword. This, and let's give him a proper shield as well. So left hand player, okay. Reset. And now okay, it's alright. Now the lock on wasn't working. Yeah, you need to have the enemy tag here as well. And now let's see. Okay. Okay, it's a bit weird. I think I made one mistake. Oh yeah. Here, the defense loop should be above the combat stand. So that the locomotion for the defense got a higher priority than the combat stance or the other stances we need. So now it should work. So the enemy got the reaction. We take no damage. This should be alright. The lock on is also working. Okay, and now when we not in the stance, we take hits. And that's how you can set up the defense.